Quantum physics, the most valid of all of the sciences, recognizes that consciousness shapes our life experiences. In spite of its implications for human existence, this profound awareness has not become part of our everyday world. In contrast to consciousness controlling life, the public has been programmed with the belief that genes control the character of their biology, behavior, and emotions. With the belief that genes turn on and off in controlling their activity, we are left with the realization that we are victims of our DNA. In the early 1990s, the science of heredity was completely revised with the introduction of epigenetics. This new science reveals that gene activity is controlled by the environment and, more importantly, by our perception of the environment. Epigenetics is the science of mind over body. The perceptions and thoughts we hold in our mind are translated into complementary chemistry by the brain. Once released into the body, these neurochemicals control behavior and genetics. In light of epigenetics, both physics and biology now emphasize that consciousness shapes our reality. Does the mind really control biology? The answer to this has been known for nearly 100 years as revealed in the placebo effect. Most people are aware of this effect wherein a placebo, sugar pill, induces healing. In reality, the pill did not engage healing. It was the patient's belief in the pill that healed them. The placebo effect illuminates the fact that positive thinking can heal almost any disease. What about negative thinking? Most people do not realize negative thinking is equally powerful as positive thinking in controlling our lives. However, it works in the opposite direction. Negative thoughts engage the nocebo effect, a consciousness that can manifest any disease, even death. Stress, the primary consequence of nocebo's negative thinking, is responsible for up to 90% of disease, whereas defective genes are associated with only about 1% of disease. The positive and negative thoughts controlling life experiences are derived from consciousness, a function attributed to the activities of the conscious and subconscious minds. The primary seat of the conscious mind is the prefrontal cortex, a lobe of brain tissue behind the forehead. The conscious mind is the creative mind associated with our source or spirituality.